We're going to Manager, Global Definitions, Default Company Template. This is used to set up the same answers every time you enter a customer or a vendor. We're going to give it a template ID with a description, and in this case we're going to set up what we would use for both bill to, ship to, remit to, and PO to. Going to pick a tax district. You can fill in the status field if you want. In this case we are not going to. The company type, you can select the company type. And now we're going to check on the bill to, and this would be how you would set the defaults to any bill to you enter. We're going to set the credit status to open. We're not going to give it a credit limit, but we're going to give it a payment terms. You can create finance, currency, whether they're taxable or have a GST tax. We can fill in a price level. We can fill in an industry. If you want an email ID, and here are the additional 4 codes. Now we're going to go to the ship to and fill in what location we are shipping from, a ship via, a default FOB, sales group, comment, or sales rep. And now we're going to fill in the remit to. We're going to set it to open. If there is a credit limit, we can put in a credit limit. Terms. A customer ID. And again, the currency ranking. Supplier code. Your tax ID, an employee ID, distribution, the taxes, and the 1099 type. PO to where you're going to be receiving the PO, how you're going to be receiving it, the FOB, and the buyer. You can save it. And now we're going to go under Manager Companies, and we're going to add a bill to. So it says add a new company. So we're going to add it with a template. We're going to select the template we're going to be adding it with. In this case, we're going to pick sample. We're going to give it a company ID. Hit continue, and now as you can see, it filled it in with the bill to, ship to, remit to, and PO to checked. And our defaults that we entered for the bill to, such as the credit status and the payment terms, was filled in, along with the ship to, the remit to information, and the PO to information.